We are going to start tonight, though, with the sudden and pretty surprising twist in day one of the trial against former Uvalde school officer Adrian Gonzalez. He is accused of not acting fast enough to stop the gunman who eventually would shoot and kill these 19 students and 2 teachers at Robb Elementary back in 2022. But just hours into day one of the trial today, the defense accused the prosecution of withholding evidence. Amelia McGavro explaining tonight from Corpus Christi.
The defense team for Adrian Gonzalez are now calling for a Brady violation in this trial. And this is all stemming from the testimony from one of the last witnesses of this first day of trial. That witness, a former Robb Elementary school teacher who was there for the 2022 shooting and survived. And she actually recounted what she saw with her own eyes, the location of the shooter. Take a listen.
On the way to the classroom, I saw person in all black and a lone weapon.
And do you remember where he was?
Yes, he was over here, closer to he was around this area.
Now, the reason all of these questions are unfolding is because the defense claims that the witness statement was not submitted into evidence, and she has actually never shared those facts with them or law enforcement when she was previously interviewed.
In that interview, the witness that we're referring to told you she saw a man dressed in black with long hair and a long rifle.
Right.
All right. And you noted that she had never said that before at the time that she said that.
I didn't note that.
Well,
we're prepping her, so I can't say that I specifically noted that.
That was the conversation in the courtroom between the defense, the prosecution, and Judge Sid Harrell. The prosecution said that she had actually given them that testimony back in December, but as it turns out, was maybe never actually submitted to evidence. This all caused the judge to dismiss the jury and ultimately postpone the trial until Thursday in order to hash this all out with both sides. Ultimately, though, lead defense attorney Nico LaHood says this violation of testimony has now tainted the jury.
The issue affects this case, and it affects the credibility of a witness potentially, and then you don't get a second chance at this. We can't rewind. So either we ask for an extreme remedy, the judge either grants it or doesn't, or we don't, and then we don't know what the result's going to be, so it's a big deal.
So now the question is, what happens next? Well, from what we understand, all sides, the defense, the prosecution, the judge, they will all reconvene here at the same courtroom in open court and argue their sides to all of this mishap in front of the judge. The judge will ultimately make the decision. Now, we did ask the defense team, will they call for a mistrial? And the defense team would not give us that information. They said tonight is all about deliberating of what they want to do, what their client wants to do, Adrian Gonzalez. So this is all going to unfold here tomorrow, and we will be right here with all of those updates. In Corpus Christi, Amelia McGavro, CBS News, Texas.